Hi, welcome back to our channel Learn It Yourself. Today we will learn about Paste Special, and with that we will learn about the autofill option. So let's start. We have two datas. The first is this, that is the data for January. Here I am having some names, and against each and every name there is some amount like 100, 250, like this. I am having another data that is for February. Here is also the same names are there, but I will change the amount. So there are two datas. Now suppose if I want to copy this data, if I want to copy the data for January and I want to make a copy here, like in the cell J2. So what I have to do, I have to select the data first. I have to go to Home tab, select the copy option, and I have to place the cell. I have to place the select the cell where I want to make the copy, and then click on the paste option. So I have copied the data of January from C3 or C2 to J2. So this process is known as copying, and this process involves two options, like two features. First is copy, then paste. If I want to move the data from here, from J2 to L15, what I will do, I will select the data first, click on the scissor icon, that is cut, and then I will place the cursor here. I will select the cell, and then I will simply press the paste button. So what it has done, it has moved the data from here to here. So this process is known as moving, and it involves two options, that is cut, paste, right? Okay, the shortcut key to copy a data is Ctrl+C. The shortcut key to paste a data is Ctrl+V, and the shortcut key to cut a data is Ctrl+X. So these are the shortcuts that you can use to save your time. Next, I will talk about some of the features of Paste Special. If I talk about this data, we have entered the data vertically. The names are vertically entered. So what if I want to enter the data horizontally? So I have to again enter the data horizontally. Like here I will type name, next to that I will type amount, like this, right? But we will use a special feature of Excel, that is Paste Special, and in order to use it, first we have to copy the data, right? Now I will use the shortcut key Ctrl+C. See what has happened. Once you copy any data in Excel, that data will be shown in a moving or dotted rectangle. See, so that means your data has been copied. Once you have copied the data, place the cursor where you want to paste it. Once you have selected the cell, go to Paste Special, like the drop down below the paste button. Don't press here. Go to the drop down just below the paste button, and then after go to Paste Special. A Paste Special dialog box will appear. Once it will appear in your screen, go to the very last option, that is transpose. Click on the transpose, check the box, and then click on OK. So what it will do, it will transpose the data for you. You don't have to enter it from the beginning. The data will be transposed, like the columns will become rows and the rows will become columns. Now what we will do, see there are two datas, the names are same, January and February, the names are same, only the amount is different. So what if I want to add these two amounts? So what I can do, I can add it up, like 300 plus 100 will be 400, and I have to type it 400, like this. We can do like this, or we can take the help of Paste Special. So in order to use Paste Special, first we have to select the data, we have to copy it. So for that we have to copy it, right? Once you have copied the data, click on the cell where you want to paste. So I have copied from name to 250. So the range of the selected area is from name C3 to D8, that is 250. So I will select the cell where there is name. Once you have done, go to Paste Special. Over here you can see operations, and under this operation option you can see add. Click on add and then click on OK. See what has happened. Excel has added the amount here. So before it was 300, now it is 400. So you don't have to manually add and then you have to make the data from the beginning. You can just use Paste Special. Not only add, you can also multiply the data. So let's say I will copy this. I will select the cell where I want to paste, go to Paste Special, and then I can subtract. Suppose I want to multiply. So click on multiply, click on OK. See, the amount will be multiplied. I want to only copy the data, not the formatting, not this blue color or these bold letters. I don't want to copy this. I just want to copy the data. Okay. So first you have to select it, copy it. Once you have copied it, go to the place where you want to paste, go to Paste Special, and there you can see values. In this option you can see values. Click on OK. It will only paste the values. No formatting will be copied. And if you want to copy the formatting only, not the values, you can copy it, go to the place where you want to paste, go to Paste Special, and you can select the formats option. It will only copy the formatting. Click on OK. See, only the formatting has been copied, but the data is not copied. Okay, the next option that I will talk about will be autofill. You can use autofill in many ways. Suppose you want to copy, suppose I have written Bardhaman. Now you want to copy this Bardhaman up to 17, up to I-17. What you can do, you can select the cell, you can click on copy, then you can go to the next cell, you can click on paste. You can do like this, or else you can select the cell. You can see the mouse pointer is a doctor's symbol, right? A band-aid, a doctor symbol. Whenever you will move your mouse to the end, to the very right end of the cell, the doctor symbol will be changed into a plus symbol. Once you get the plus symbol, click the left button, like click your mouse and drag. It will copy the data that is in the cell up to which you will select. Another use of autofill will be if you write 1 in the next cell, if you have written 2, now you can select both of this cell, go to the right hand side of the cell, you will see it has changed to plus sign, click and drag. See, it has filled the series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it has filled the series, right? So autofill can be used to copy the cells. It can also be used to fill a series. Let's say I have written Monday. Now if you drag it, see, it will fill the series Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, like this. If you are writing Monday and you want to copy this Monday from here to here, only you want to copy Monday, not Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You don't want to fill the series. But if you are using this autofill, it will fill the series for you, right? You can use the autofill option, and just below it you can see a small button has appeared. Click on it and then click on copy cells. So it will copy the cells for you. So that will be all for today's lesson, and we have learned about copying, moving, Paste Special and autofill option. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe.